Marxism. Marxism is based on the ideas of Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, focusing on class struggle, historical materialism, and the eventual establishment of a classless society. Marxist-Leninism. Marxist-Leninism combines Marxist theory with Lenin's ideas of a vanguard party and a proletarian dictatorship to achieve socialism and eventually communism. Leninism. Leninism emphasizes the role of a revolutionary vanguard party to lead the proletariat to power. Trotskysm. Trotskysm advocates for permanent world revolution and opposes Stalinist principles. Stalinism. Stalinism is a Marxist-Leninist approach under Joseph Stalin, characterized by centralized control, collectivization, and rapid industrialization. Maoism. Maoism is developed by Mao Zedong. It focuses on agrarian socialism and the role of the peasantry in revolution, emphasizing guerrilla warfare and cultural revolution. Chi Minh Thought. Chi Minh Thought is a Vietnamese adaptation blending Marxism-Leninism with national liberation. Eurocommunism. Eurocommunism advocates for a democratic path to socialism, distancing itself from Soviet-style governance. Council Communism. Council Communism emphasizes workers' councils and direct democracy as opposed to centralized party leadership. Left Communism. Left Communism is a critique of Leninism, advocating for direct revolutionary action without compromise, rejecting parliamentary systems and alliances with bourgeois groups. Utopian Communism. Utopian communism refers to early socialist ideas that envisioned an ideal classless society based on shared ownership and communal living. Western Marxism. Western Marxism is a branch of Marxist theory that emerged in the early 20th century, focusing on cultural, ideological, and social aspects of Marxism rather than strictly economic or revolutionary ones. Anarcho-Communism. Anarcho-Communism advocates for a stateless, classless society achieved through direct action and mutual aid. Christian Communism. Christian communism argues that early Christian teachings support communal living and the abolition of private property. Islamic Communism. Islamic Communism, a lesser-known movement that interprets Islamic principles in line with socialist and communal ideals. Eco-Communism. Eco-communism integrates Marxist principles with ecological concerns, emphasizing sustainable living and the end of capitalist exploitation of nature. Post-Marxism. Post-Marxism is a modern re-evaluation of Marxist ideas in light of contemporary social and cultural developments. Cultural Marxism. Cultural Marxism is a term often used pejoratively. This refers to a reinterpretation of Marxism that focuses on cultural aspects like race, gender, and identity, rather than economic class alone. Situationist Communism. Situationist Communism is an ideology rooted in the Situationist International, which emphasizes the critique of consumer society, alienation, and the need to create new forms of culture and human interaction outside capitalist structures. National Communism. National communism is a form of communism that combines Marxist ideas with nationalistic goals. This has been seen in movements where communist parties took on nationalist elements, such as in certain parts of Eastern Europe or the developing world, e.g. the Albanian Party of Labour under Enver Hoxha. Pan-African Communism. Pan-African communism is a form of communism that combines Marxist ideas with Pan-Africanist principles, aiming to address both class struggle and colonialism in Africa. Leaders like Kwame Nkrumah and Amilcar Cabral were influential in promoting these ideas. Indigenous Communism. Indigenous communism is a version of communism adapted to indigenous cultures, rejecting colonial capitalist systems and aiming to rebuild communal systems of governance and economy.